Hi everyone, this is Bridget here. Today let's start some of the Christmas sweets. So I'll just show you how to make marzipan balls. So you could either use cashew nuts that are ground or use powdered cashew nut flour that is ready available, 1 cup of icing sugar and 3 tablespoons of corn syrup or condensed milk. Okay, nothing to worry, this is a very simple recipe. So add the sugar and the icing sugar and the cashew nut powder together and start mixing. Okay, the sugar starts melting, then you add in your condensed milk or your corn syrup and mix really well. Now if the mixture is a little too tight, what you could do is add 2 or 3 tablespoons of milk to make it more pliable. So make it into a nice soft ball and divide the mixture into 2 parts and add a few drops of green and pink coloring. Okay. So mix well to incorporate the color. This is one of the easiest recipes that you could think of to make your marzipan. No need for egg white because we are either using corn syrup or condensed milk. So now you start rolling. Make like walnut sized balls. Roll them well. They're quite colorful, as you could see. And that's your marzipan balls are ready. This is there on your Christmas platter. So if you like this video, please do like and share it. And as usual, I ask you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and Merry Christmas.